4 класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 5. Часть 2. Страница 16-17. English Starlight for homework. Lesson number 5. Part number 2. Page number 16-17. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly, it's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 16. The stone flower. Listen, point to the picture, and repeat. Spin. Каменный цветок. Послушай, покажи на картинке и повтори. Spin – кружиться. Listen and read the story. Please show me the stone flower, Danila asks. I want to understand the beauty of the stone. I must see the stone flower, he says. No, Danila, you will be sorry, she says and smiles. Those who see my flower leave their family and come to live with me in my mountain. What about Prokopich and Katya? They love you. I know, says Danila, but I need to see the stone flower. All right, she answers. Come with me to my magic garden. She takes him and shows him the amazing stone flower. It's so beautiful, says Danila, the most beautiful thing in the world. He goes back home, feeling very happy. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 17. Exercise number 1. Read and complete the sentences. Use show, understand, leave or amazing. Прочитай и закончи предложение. Используй показать, понять, оставлять или изумительный. Number 1. Don't leave me here. I'm scared. Number 1. The answer. Не оставляй меня здесь. Я боюсь. Number 2. This is an amazing ring. It's very beautiful. Number 2. The answer amazing. Это изумительное кольцо. Оно очень красивое. Number 3. You have to show your ticket to the man at the door. Number 3. The answer show. Ты должен показать билет мужчине около двери. Number 4. Can you explain this to me, please? I don't understand it. Number 4. The answer. Understand. Ты можешь объяснить это мне, пожалуйста? Я это не понимаю. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Who says the following sentences? Read the story again and answer D for Danila or M for the mistress of Copper Mountain. Кто говорит следующее предложение? Прочитай заново историю и ответь. D для Данилы или M для госпожи Медной горы. Number 1. Please show me the flower. The answer D. Number 2. You will be sorry. M. The answer. Number 3. What about Prokopich and Katya? The answer, M. Number 4. Come with me to my magic garden. The answer, M. Number 5. It's so beautiful. The answer, D. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. Its beauty makes my heart sing. What happiness it brings. Its beauty makes my head spin. What happiness it brings. Flower of stone, a wonder to see. Flower of stone, a wonder to me. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.